I want to show that any form of expression is legitimate and that you can get far in whatever you do. And through the Hype Project, we want to express more than just dance, and we want to show like a whole new culture in what we do.
I want to show people that no matter what they do, they can show their ingenuity and creativity through dance, art, whatever it is. And hopefully through the Hype Project we can
It's a place where I can also be myself around with the people I love and dance with the people I love. And I know like the people in Hype will always accept me for who I am or what I do.
Object of your affection. Give me all your time, touch, money and attention. Pick me up after school, you can be my baby. Maybe we could go somewhere, get a little crazy. He's rich and I'm wishing he could be my Mr. Yum, delicious to the maximum. Chewing up like bubblegum on this pretty party flavor. He says on his favorite flavor.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, long and that's my bitch on. You can tell by the swagger and the lips on.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, long and that's my bitch on. You can tell by the swagger and the lips on.
You say that I am flawless, true perfection. So give me all your drugs, props, money and connections. Pick me up after school, acting kinda shady. You're the coolest kid in town, I'm your little lady. He's sticking on, kissing on, magical musician. I'm driving at the cinema, loving him and licking him. He's my lovely lifesaver, doesn't want my bad behavior.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, long and that's my bitch.